Tornado warning for Potter County. I'm about to say, because I've been yelled TVS just trigger.
A tornado warning for East Central Potter County until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Look at this thing.
Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 14 miles north of Amarillo, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard.
You want to know what triggered my suspicions? That yellow TVS signature there. That and the hook as well. I noticed that the storm was hooking around. I was trying to figure out what the heck is this storm got going on. I was say, why wasn't this thing warned yet? It had normalized rotation up. Okay, there's some specks of green in there. Right where that yellow TVS got tripped. Velocity looks kind of weird, but I know it's there. One more look what this thing looks like on radar. I'm assuming this is all a hook echo right here. The radar's just not picking it up because it's like 14 miles south of where the storm is. It's kind of having a little bit of trouble picking up everything. But yeah, tornado warning for Potter County until 8:15.